What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We got a good one for you today. We're gonna be doing a little bit of a youth duck. We're gonna be more of a camera crew today, but it's looking up like it's gonna shape up to be a good one. So try to keep you informed. And this is the first one on the channel, so gotta get used to the whole talking to the camera deal. So we will see you out on the field. It's looking like it's gonna be, we're hunting with how many people, Brock?
I think 6, 7 youth shooters this morning.
So it's gonna be a little bit of a show, but we'll try to get the flocks coming in, and we'll see how she goes. Looking up, it's looking like it's gonna be a good one. We'll see ya by the pond. What are we working with, Brandon?
Alright guys, we're out here. We got about 12.5 decoys. We got a nice hide, about 7 shooters. Should be pretty good. We scouted last night, there was a lot of ducks, so we'll see you in the light.
And before we get to the shooting, I want to let you know that he is to my right throughout the whole video. So let's get to it.
A bunch of them right here.
A lot of them.
Where?
Kill him, guys.
You get that one. Hey, those are mallards.
Roll up.
Get in. I remember mallardos. Right here. Three.
Kill him. Shoot that one. Finish it.
Good shot. Load up.
Nice shot.
Here we go.
Got a baby. I'm gonna have to smash him on the water too.
Reed, what are we thinking so far?
It's getting greasy, boys. It's getting greasy.
Kill that one out front.
Kill the second one. Out front. Load up. Real bad.
Right here. Shoot it.
Into the water, right here, shoot it! I didn't even see that one. Here, Brent.
He went down in those bushes.
Kill that one.
On the right. Damn. There goes my D.
Someone kill it.
Load up. Shoot, Brent, turn around. Load up. Hold on. Three above us.
Holy shit.
Load up.
Good shot.
Shoot the one. Shoot Dustin, Brent. Load up.
Good shot.
This many times.
Coming from the left. Loading that pile of wood. Holy shit.
Dude, I got so many ducks. Where are they?
You got away. Ready? Here they come from the left, diving in. Shoot this one. Load. Shoot him, guys. Shoot him, guys. Shoot him out front.
She's getting good, boys. They're eating it up pretty good right now.
Shoot the male, shoot the male, shoot your male. Give me two more, give me two more. I'm out. Get ready, load it up.
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Wax him.
Somebody kill that fucker.
Yeah, that was a tag team.
I'm feeding Brandon 3.5 black clouds.
3 inch. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Nolan.
I think you saw the ram down the barrel. Push it out.
Hey, don't shoot him, don't shoot him.
We're done shooting for now. He's finishing a cripple. I told him. All right.
Brandon, how's she looking? How many we got?
We got a lot, boys.
Mallard right there in his hand. They'll probably still dump in.
I won't even call him in. We just get him picked.
Shell. Was it all rusted? It looked like the grass.
Reed, I think I counted 9 or 10 over there.
We did a whole lot of shooting in a small amount of time. I think we got our limit within about 20 minutes, so we'll see how the footage looks. We'll go through it. I mean, they're still dropping in, doing it dirty.
There's one of these cattails for sure. Yeah. Don't shoot it.
That's another.
Young male. Not even plumed yet.
We got a couple ducks now. Now we're just looking for mallards.
Couple.
Just a couple.
It's a different set.
You want to try it again? Same two.
Woodies.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Good boys.
Oh, babe.
Good shooting.
They didn't need to shoot that.
Give him a follow up.
One shell left. Shoot it. Use it.
These ones are getting in here, whatever they are.
Kill these two, kill these two. Oh, baby. Oh. All right, out here, we got our limit on wood ducks. We need a couple more mallards. Hopefully a couple geese come by. We'll shoot those. It's looking pretty good. Feathers everywhere. Got a couple birds to pick up yet. We'll be out of here.
They like that.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
Kill
that one!
thing!
He's going down.
I know, now he's gone.
Just finished up the hunt, picking up ducks and picking up the blinds. We got a couple ducks we can't get, so.
Where's all the empties? Is there a bucket?
We got two half buckets.
What do you need me to do, Bun?
I don't want to pick them up again, but it'd be
What do you think,
sick if we could
Trace?
dump all the empties out in front.
What? What do you think?
That's badass.
We finished up with like, I think it was 34 birds. We got a limit of wood ducks, and we got a good fair share of mallards. So it's just a youth hunt. I was just filming. It's a good time. All the kids love it. It's a good hunt, good Michigan hunt. We also got a pintail, so that'll be it. We'll see you on the next one.